Okay guys, the King of Cupcakes video wrapped this course up.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
I hope you enjoyed it, learned some useful techniques and some tricks as well. Over more than 30 videos, we've covered all the necessary basics to get you going as an Illustrator user and a future logo designer. We talked about color models and how to choose and apply colors. We saw how to easily and effectively create and transform shapes. We learned the best ways to create and handle type and how to make it look professionally. And of course, we saw how we can apply all the techniques in the logo design process. My whole goal was to make your designing process as smooth as possible, because I truly believe that you, as a designer, should really focus on conceptualizing, and putting your thoughts and sketches on the computer monitor should consume as little of your time as possible. But don't forget to practice. This is the only way to become a true Illustrator master. Also, don't stop learning in terms of Illustrator and logo design theory. In the near future, I will also be putting together some more courses on Illustrator and other software. So that's all from me. My name is Dawid Tumiński.